Hello, this is Brian Shell, and that is Belleville Lake. And in the foreground is a piece of bread with a bunch of peanut butter on it, and somehow it has flipped over, and so it's kind of stuck to the ground. But at the same time, you may see some birds. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to noodle on the top of my djembe with my hand. I often feel like if in the Addams Family was a thing, the hand. Uh, if ever I were to go AI, I'd want like my hand to be use this for AI for an AI model of my right hand because my right hand, well, you'll see it has a mind of its own. So ah. All right. So this is Brian Shell. I'm an author. You can find my books on Amazon, and I hope that you have an awesome day. Birds on Belleville Lake.